And I have with me a new acquaintance, Tom Bronson. Tom's also here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Tom, why don't you say hi and introduce yourself?
So I'm principal of Mastery Partners. We are a firm that is dedicated to helping business owners grow long-term sustainable value in their business, and to define their ultimate exit strategy. Because so many business owners don't really give a lot of thought to what their exit looks like, and therefore they don't prepare for it, and therefore the success rate is very low out in the open market. Of course, if you partner with Nate over here at Website Closers, you've got a much higher chance of finding a buyer when the time is right. But we're not a broker. We're not an investment banker. All we do is focus on the fundamentals and help business owners improve the long-term value of their business so that they can get that big exit that they dream of someday.
Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications about new videos and interviews. And introduce yourself in the comments. Are you a buyer or a seller?